Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cyrano. So I wanted you to try this with your brand new Samsung Galaxy A32, A23, or A13. Now this won't work with the A12, A02s, or A03s because I did try to test all these devices right here, and we have all of them right here lined up. So I pretty much tested the older versions, the A13, the A12, the A02s, and the A3s, but it's gonna be working with the A32, the A23 and the A13. So basically, in order to get this feature started, it's gonna be really simple, but watch to the end of the video because it's gonna be a really cool tip that I think you guys should know about if you're the type of person who likes to take the most out of your smartphone. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through and kicking it with me real quick. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to show you guys right here on the A32, since I do have my SIM card in this device at the current moment. And basically what you want to do when you're using this feature is you want to jump into this option right here inside of the settings. So you just go to settings right here, you hit that option right here, and then you're going to scroll down until you see advanced features. Okay, so after you are there, right, the first thing you want to do is just go right here where it says labs, and this is going to be a feature that is available right here. So basically I'll show you right here. Let me put this one down. I'll show you on the A12 like what's it's not available, because I did try it out. So I went to settings and I did the same thing right here. It's not on the A12. Okay, so when you go into that advanced features, you won't see that labs option. So I just kind of want to throw that out there. You won't see it on the A03s or the A20s either. So it's going to be on the A13 and the A23 as well. So basically what you want to do is you want to activate multi-window for all apps, and even that's going to even include Instagram. Okay, so if you're the type of person who likes to use that, there's certain apps that won't work with the split screen window or even the pop-up window, but when you activate these two features, it says that right here, try experimental features. Some features may not work correctly with all apps. Multi-app window for all apps. And then it says allow all apps to open in pop-up view or split screen, including apps that haven't been designed for these layouts. Okay, and then it says full screen and split screen view, and that's probably going to be a really solid feature, because not only are you going to be able to get all your apps to work on split screen view, what it's going to do is it's actually going to give you this area here at the top that you can it's going to stretch it out to the full screen so that you could use the full screen. So basically, let's just open up Instagram, since that's one of the apps which never allowed me to use it in split screen. And you don't have to reset the phone right now. You can just open up this guy right here, and you can basically just, you see right here, you have that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and right here I'm gonna go to my swipe across. Hold on, I activated the camera real quick by accident. Okay, so let's get out of the camera. Let me get out of here. Boom. All right, so let me see if I could do this one more time. Swipe across. Okay, so now we have Instagram and we have the side panel right here. So let's just swipe until we get Twitter to go on the bottom here. Now when you drag down on the bottom, you're going to notice that this portion no longer shows the time, date, or day at the top, or the notifications, and you can actually use the whole screen right here. And it's actually some of the apps, what it is that they're not designed for this split screen view, but when you open up that feature, now you can use the split screen menu on Instagram, which is really cool. Now I know they had something like this that was in developer settings mode, but now you don't even need to do the developer settings mode to use this feature where you can actually activate all the apps on here. So if you found this tip helpful, informative, or useful in any way possible, let me know in the comment section. But I definitely think it's cool that you get, number one, the full screen. It stretches out to the full screen. That's number one. And then number two, you can use it for any app in split screen and pop-up window. So even if it's not optimized you'll still be able to take advantage of it. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. If you did find it possible, hit the like button and show your support and appreciation. I truly appreciate you for coming through. But I'm going to answer any questions you have down in the comment section as well, and I'm going to get right back with you. But make sure you watch one of these videos to the left or the right of me, and I'll check you guys later. But make sure you have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.